Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send friend request on Blockman Go gaming app. If you want to make friends and play with them using the Blockman Go app, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Blockman Go app on your home screen. Now open it. After you open the game, here you can find the End Chat button. Now simply tap on it. Then here you can find the Friends section, and there is the Add Friend button at the second one. Simply tap on it. Finally, you can send friend requests to the person that you want to send. Now tap onto the one profile icon. Then here you can make specific messages to that person and simply tap on to send. Now the friend request has been successfully sent to that person. Now you can send as many friend requests as you want in the Blockman Go app. And that's it. This is how you can send friend requests and make friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.